Okay, so here is the sample problem for your machine foundation. So, let me read it this way. So, design a machine foundation for the following engine specification. So, engine weight is 25,000 pounds. Okay, by weight yan. The bed plate dimension is 6 by 8 foot. Single acting, vertically arranged. Okay. So, vertical siya. Okay. So, 25,000, 6 by 8. So, bore and stroke yan. Okay. Ano yung length of the stroke? Single acting, vertically arranged, 4 na cylinder inline, and then 210 RPM. Ang kanyang dimension is 8 by 10 foot. Alagay dyan. 8 by 10. Estimate also the cementing materials using Class C concrete. Okay? To be poured on a clay compact soil. So, let us list down the given. Given natin. Okay? The given is, meron kang weight of the engine na 25,000 pounds. Okay? Tapos, bed plate dimension. Okay? Bed plate. That is equal to 6 by 8 feet. Okay? Tapos, the engine is rotating at 210 RPM. Now, the cylinder dimension. Okay? The bore and then the stroke. So, ito bed plate pala. Sa bore and stroke, okay? Ito, bore and stroke. Bore is 8 inch. So, mali lang ako ng given dito, hindi yan feet, ha? This is 8 inch and then stroke 10 inch. Kaya pala nagtataka kung malaki pa siya sa sa dimension ng bed plate. Okay? So, the first thing that you need to consider is use rectangular. Use rectangular foundation muna. Okay, use rectangular foundation. Yan ang pinakauna mong i-choose or the first one on your choices. Okay. On a rectangular foundation, we know that area of the top is equal to area ng bottom. Same lang yun. Okay? So, drawing natin for a rectangular block. So, ito yung top view. Okay? So, nandito yung bed plate mo. Nasa gitna. Okay? So, meron ka dito ang clearances. Clearance yan. Ito, clearance to. Clearance. Okay? So, anong dimension ng bed plate mo? This is 6 by 8 feet. Yan, ha? We say C is equal to 1/2 feet. Diba? Yung consideration mo from 1 feet to 1/2 feet. So, gamitin natin, this is equal to 6 inch. Tignan natin kung okay ba yung dimensions natin. If not, i-adjust natin siya. Kasi yung bed plate, that is machine specified na. Hindi mo pwedeng baguhin yung dimension ng bed plate. Ang tanging mag-a-adjust ka, clearance. Okay? Clearance and height. Remember that. So, what will happen is, yung length mo, yung length, nasaan ba yung length? Ito yan, length. Yung width. Nasaan yung width natin? Ito. So, length natin is yung 8 feet plus 2 times 0.5 feet. Okay? Yung width natin is 6 feet plus twice of 0.5 feet. So, this will be equal to 9 feet and 7 feet. Yun yung magiging foundation and area natin. Now, for the height, we say na for height of foundation, H is equal to, pwede natin ma-solve. Ano yung sinabi ko pag may weight ng engine ang binigay dyan? Or the stroke. Diba? Recall natin. Recall natin dito. That, yung height ng foundation can be this one. Engine stroke. 3.2 to 4.2 ng engine stroke. Okay? So, ang sineselect ko dito, parating yung maximum. Okay? Maximum yan. Okay? Select for the maximum. So, empirical formula, 4.2 times engine stroke. Okay? So, the height, therefore, is 4.2 times, ano yung engine stroke nyo dyan? Ilan? 10 inch, correct. 10 inch. Times, dapat naka-fit din, di ba? Times 1 foot every 12 inch. So, this will be equal to, calculate natin. So, 4.2 times 10 divided by 12. 3.5. 3.5 feet pala siyang taas niya. 3.5 feet. Okay, that is the height. Now, let us solve for the volume of the foundation. Since yan yung volume ng foundation, we can say yan din yung volume ng concrete na gagamitin mo. Okay? So, the volume of the foundation is the volume of concrete to be used. Okay? Remember that. So, VF is equal to length times width times height. So, this will be equal to 9 feet times 7 feet times 3.5. Feet cube lalabas dito. 3.5 times 9 times 7. This is 220.5. Okay? 220.5 cubic foot ng concrete. Concrete na to. Ayan. So, meron na tayong value for concrete. What will you do next? Okay? Weight ng foundation na agad. Okay? You get the weight ng foundation. For weight of foundation. Okay. For the weight of the foundation, di ba, recall natin that yung weight ng foundation is equal to gamma ng foundation times the volume of the foundation. But the gamma of the foundation is concrete, di ba? Which is concrete. Binigay ko kanina that it is equal to 150 pound per cubic foot. So, masosolve ko na yung weight ng foundation. Therefore, the weight of the foundation is equal to, 150 pound per feet cube times the foundation volume, which is 220.5 feet cube, equal to 220.5 times 150. 33,075. Okay, ang lalabas dyan. 33,075 pounds. Okay, yan yung weight ng foundation natin. So, cancel to. So, i-check na natin. Try to check for the minimum weight. For weight minimum, okay, babasehan natin yung weight ng engine. Okay? So, the weight of the engine is, meron ka empirical formula, weight minimum, C, times yung, C pala, empirical E, times weight ng engine, square root ng N. What is the weight of the engine? Nakalagay dito, 25,000 pounds, tama? So, empirical, titignan natin sa table. Okay, going back to the table, anong sabi dun sa ating machine? That is single acting inline, 4-cylinder. So, ano i-select natin? Single acting, vertical, inline, 4-cylinder. Empirical formula natin is 0.11. Okay? Okay. Naintindihan? Diba? Ganun ginagamit yung table. O, getting back to the calculation. Yan. So, E is equal to 0.11 na sa table. Table value. So, E is 0.11. Weight of the engine is 25,000 pounds times square root ng gaano siya kabilis umiikot? 210 RPM. 210. Okay, what is the minimum weight? Okay, 0.11 times 25,000 times 25,000 times square root ng 210. 39851. Correct? 39851.2861 pounds. Check nga natin if this will be encompassing. Okay, take note. See that? Ano yung consideration natin? Yung weight dapat ng foundation should be greater than or equal ng weight ng minimum. Nasaan nga ang consideration yun? Okay? Weight ng foundation is less than. If the condition, adjustment should be made. Dapat, mas malaki yung weight ng foundation kaysa sa minimum weight. Okay? Kasi yun yung i-carry niya eh. Babagsak yan. Okay? Check natin. For the value, yung weight ng foundation is 33,705 pounds. Question mark. Okay? Tapos ito, 39,851.2861 pound. So, ibig sabihin, therefore, weight ng foundation is less than that of your weight ng minimum. So, ibig sabihin, resize. Resize yan. Okay? Not okay. Ay, not okay. Saan tayo saan tayo hahabol? Sa C. Sa clearance. So, not okay. Not acceptable. Okay. Since not acceptable siya, go back. Okay? Go back to adjustment. C, dimensions. Okay, tapos, i-maintain na lang natin yung height. Height, same na lang. Okay? Yung C, dimension natin, babaguhin natin siya. So, let us say C is equal to 1 foot. Okay? So, bago na. Yung length natin is 8 feet plus twice ng 1 feet. Okay? This will be 10 feet. Yung width natin is 6 plus 2 times 1. This will become 8 feet. Okay? Same calculation ulit. Babalikan lang natin. Okay? Same calculation yan. So, the volume of the foundation now, corrected volume ng foundation is length times width times height. So, 10 times 8 times 3.5. Okay. So, 10 times 8 times 3.5. This will become 280. 280. Okay. Correct natin. 280 feet cube. Yan yung volume ng foundation. So, we can get the adjusted weight ng foundation. For weight of the foundation, gamma F times volume foundation. Recall natin, 150 feet cube. Okay, 150 feet cube. Pound per feet cube. Times 280 feet cube. So, cancel itong dalawa. Equal to 150 times 280. 42,000. O ngayon, check na natin. Okay? Therefore, weight of the foundation is greater than weight ng minimum machine. Okay? This became 42,000 equal to, nakuha nating sagot kanina, which is 39,851.2861. 39,851.2961. Tama ba? Okay. So, 39,851.2861. Copy ko na lang. Okay. 2861. Okay. Copy. Ganun lang naman kadali eh. Ayan ha. Ibig sabihin, okay na to. Dimensions are dimensions are acceptable na. Okay, dimensions are acceptable. So next, what will you do? We check for the safety naman dun sa papatungan niya. Okay? So checking for safety. Check for safety. Paano mo i-check yung safety? Dapat dyan, yung SI, induced stress, is less than sa design. Okay? So, ano ba yung SI natin? SI. Okay? SI is weight of the engine plus weight ng foundation divide by Okay? Weight of the foundation divide by area of the base. Kasi yun yung papatungan niya eh. Okay? So, this will become, weight ng engine is 42,000 plus 3985 divide by Oh, 25,000 pala. 25,000 plus weight ng foundation. Okay, 25,000, sorry. It should be 25,000 weight ng engine. 25,000. Yan. So, this will become 10 feet. 10 feet times 8 feet. So, pound per feet squared ang lalabas. So, this will become 42,000 times 25,000 divide by 80. Naka-feet squared. So, plus to dapat. 837.5. 837. So, 837.5 pound per feet cube. Okay. Hanapin naman natin yung S ng soil. Okay. Use a soil. Clay yan. Clay compact. Okay. Ano yung kanyang SBC? So, ito, yung clay, minsan, nagiging ano yan eh. Kung ano to, tawag dito, yung value niya is constant. Okay? Laging gamitin natin yung 8. Okay? Tama. 8 English ton. 8 English ton per feet squared. Kapag clay, compact, and soil. Okay? Constant to. Yan, constant. Okay? So, anong gagawin natin dito? Unin natin yung SBC, soil bearing capacity. SBC is equal to 8. Pwede rin may multiplier or may divisor ka dyan na 4. 2, 8 divide by 2. Much better if gagamitin mo yung value nito, a soil bearing is from 2 to 4. You always use 4 for maximum. Okay? Maximum design. So, magiging 8. Yung 8 mo magiging 4 English ton per feet squared. Lagi na lang itong gamitin mo kapag SBC, soil bearing capacity. Okay? So, for the SD or design, ito dapat ipapatong mo SBC divide by FS. Yung factor of safety, 2 to 4 din. 2 to 4 times ng loading. So, what will happen is SBC 4 divide by 4. So, this will become 4 eton per feet squared. Okay, divide by 4. Times ko na lang to para maging pounds, yung English ton. So, you have 2,000 pounds every English ton. Cancel ito, cancel ito. So, what will become of the value? This will become 2,000 pounds per feet squared. Okay. So, tignan natin. say, thus, yung SD ba natin mas mataas sa SI? SD is greater than SI. So, ibig sabihin, ano yung condition natin? Conditions met. Okay? Condition is met. Okay? Dami natin chine-check talaga. So, therefore, safe yung foundation natin. Okay, na-check na natin. What will be the construction value naman sa ating foundation? O, dito na papasok. Okay? So, therefore, yung area na ng base natin, we say, yung area of the base is equal to area ng top, which is 80 feet squared. Okay na yan. Tapos, yung height of the foundation is equal to 3.5 feet. Okay na yung design natin. Okay? So, pupunta na tayo dun sa estimation of the materials. So, for the estimation, anong gagamitin natin mix? Class C mix. Okay, Class C mix, kung saan meron tayong 1, meron tayo dyang 1, 3, 6. Balikan natin na yung 1, 3, 6 na yun. Okay. So, isang semento, 3 cubic feet ng sand, and then, 6 na, okay, sand. Gravel. Okay? That is the mix. Ibig sabihin, ito yung cement. Bag. Ito yung sand. Feet cube. Ito yung gravel. Graba. Feet cube. Remember na 1 cement bag is equal to 7 gallon water. Ayan ha. So, ano yung yield ng materials mo? Okay, nasaan na ba tayo? Okay, kunin muna natin yung volume of sand. Okay? Tama ba? Ito ata ako. Ayan. Ilang bag ng semento yung kailangan nating gamitin dito? For the bag of cement. Hanapin natin kung paano. Yung yield muna kunin natin. Okay? So, you have, ano yung density ng iyong material? Saan yun? Ayan. For the absolute, yung yield, that is equal to absolute value. Absolute volume of materials. Yan. Kunin mo yung yield. Okay? Paano makuha? Isa-isahin mo yun. So, that is equal to cement plus yung sand plus the gravel plus water. Okay? Water. Yung absolute value of materials, that is equal to density ng material divide by SG nung material multiply to density ng H2O. Okay? So, ano ba yung density ng material na nakalagay dyan? Sa pagkakaalam ko, remember na ang density ng sand, ito density ng sand. Ito yun, density ng sand is 110 pound per feet cube. Constant to Density ng gravel, GA na lang yung gravel, that is 96 pound per feet cube. Density ng hindi na pala, hindi na kailangan. Ano ba yung density ng semento? Teka, hinahanap ko pa yung density ng cement. Saan nakuha yun? Density of the cement. Pakit-check nga sa internet. Ano yung density? 140. Dito ata. Yung bag of cement. Tamang paliwanag dito, bag of cement. Anyway, solve naman natin yan. May binigay ba dito mga SG? Wala, di ba? So, okay na yan. Paki-search naman, okay? Paki-search ng mga SG. SG ng gravel, SG ng sand, tsaka SG ng cement. Para isa-solve na lang natin kagad yung yield parate. Hindi nagbabago yung yield eh. Same lang yan throughout. Walang unit ang SG. Okay, sand, okay. Pag sand, 2.65. How about gravel? 2.66. Same lang. SG of gravel, 2.66. Okay, ano ang density ng cement? In pound per feet cube. Hmm? 140 pound per cubic foot. 140 pound per cubic foot. So what is the SG ng cement? Yung mahirap talaga ang foundation. Hindi mo alam yung mga density na yan. 2.3. 2.3 na lang tayo. 2.3. Okay? So, let us solve for the yield. Paano ma-solve yung yield? Okay, ganito yan. For the cement, absolute volume, ng cement equal yan sa yung kanyang density ng cement times yung proportional niya, ilang cubic foot per bag ng cement. So, 1 bag ang meron ka dyan. Absolute value ng cement. You have, by standard, okay, meron pang isa na binigay dito. By standard, okay, yung cement take note of this. By standard, every bag of cement is 94 pounds. 94 pounds. Standard to You have 94 pounds every cubic foot. Kaya pina-check ko sa inyo. Okay? Remember this for cement. Yan, 94 pounds per cubic foot. Tapos, ang kanyang SG, 3.15. I think this is Portland cement. Okay? Tapos, ang density ng water, 62.4 pound per feet cube. Okay? So, absolute volume ng cement is pound per, hindi pala bag to. Pound per bag. Per bag. Bag of cement. Okay, ilan? So, 94. 94 divided by 3.15 times 62.4. That is, okay, 5 parate. 0.478 3 bag feet cube per bag of cement. And density feet cube per bag cement. Hey, yung isa naman absolute ng volume of sand. Yung sand naman dapat tayo sand dito. Okay, sand multiply mo dun sa 110 pound per feet cube. Tapos, multiply mo ng saan mo multiply yan? Yung mix niya. Per bag of cement, 136. Diba? Sa bag of cement, ilang sand? 3. So, 3 cubic foot per bag cement. Divide by yung SG niya na 2.65. 2.65 times 62.4 pound per feet cube. Cancel to, cancel feet cube. Ang lalabas feet cube per bag of cement. You have 110, okay? Balik na sa taas. Times 3 divided by 2.65 times 62.4. 1.995. 0.99565 feet cube per bag of cement. Yan. Okay? So, next page na tayo. Dagdag pa tayo sa pang page. Yan. So, nasaan na tayo? Sand, gravel naman. ABS, volume, gravel. This is for gravel. Ano yung binigay ko sa gravel? 96, tama? 96 pound per feet cube. What about the mix? 6, tama? 6 feet cube per bag cement. Divide by ano yung kanyang 2.3 to 2.5. Gamitin na natin 2.5. Okay lang. 2.5 times 62.4. pound per feet cube. So, edit na lang natin. This is 96 times 2. Divide by 2.5. 3.6923. 1. Feet cube per bag of cement. Okay. How about yung water? Absolute volume ng water. This is, syempre, 7 gallons per bag cement times 1 cubic foot. Okay? 1 feet cube per 7.481 gallon. Equal to 7 divide by 7.481. This is 0.93570 feet cube per bag cement. Okay, yung yield. Lahat na yan, store nyo kay, pag nakasolve na kayo dito, okay, store nyo to kay A, store nyo kay B, tapos this is C, this is D. Sa isa. So, A plus B plus C plus D equal to, okay, calculate natin. Lipat ko lang. Okay. Lipat natin dito. So, 0.47823 plus, okay, 1.995 plus kabilang page, okay, ganyan talaga mag-solve nito, matagal-tagal. 3.69231 plus point, okay, plus 0.935 7 point, correct ba? 7.10189 7.10189 feet cube per bag cement. Kaya lang, pag pinaghalo-halo mo, ano na yun? Concrete na siya. Okay, sundan nyo lang yung solving niyan. So, yan ang yield niya. So, we can now solve for BF. Okay? Yung BF niya is, ilan yung na-solve natin na meron pa, relax lang kayo. So, ilan yung BF natin? Kung natatandaan natin, volume of the foundation, 280 feet cube. Correct? So, that is 280 feet cube. 280 feet cube concrete. So, masosolve pala natin yung bag of cement. Okay? So, for number of bags, equal yan sa yung BF versus yield. Okay. 280 feet cube per 7.10189 feet cube per bag. Ilang bags? Okay? 280 7.10189. That is 39.42. 39.426. Approximately 40 bags. Yan yung gagamitin mo. Matatansya mo na ngayon yun sa foundation mo. Okay? So, ganun lang yung tansyahan niya. You use 40 bags of cement para sa foundation. How about yung steel bars? Hey, weight of reinforcing steel bars. Hindi siyempre. Meron kang konkreto, meron ka dapat bakal. That is 0.005 to 0.01 ng weight ng foundation. So what is the weight of your foundation? Na-compute natin, di ba? What is the weight of the foundation? Ayun, 42,000. So, 42,000. Ano yung 1% ng 42,000? 42,000 pounds times 0.01. Di 420 pounds of steel bars. Dahil lang yan. Ako pinapollow ko lang yung yung mga ways dyan. Now, merong extra pinasosolve dyan, yung volume ng sand. Ay, volume ng sand, multiply nyo na lang yung number of bags. So, 40 bags times, ano yung sand mo? Diba, 3 cubic foot per bag. So, ilan? 120 feet cube. Eh, yung volume ng graba, you have 40 bags times 6 feet cube per bag. Ilan? 240 cubic foot. Yung water, ilang gallons? 40 bags times 7 gallon per bag. Ilan po? 280. Pag ganito nakuha nyo, ibig sabihin ilan yung orderin mong sand, ilan yung orderin mong gravel, ilan yung orderin mong tubig, tangke ng tubig. Ibig sabihin makukuha mo yung used for budget estimation. Kaya tinuturo ko sa inyo yan. Okay? Para malaman nyo yung budget nyo. Okay? Pag bumuo ka ng bahay, hindi order ka lang ng order. Diba? Pag bumuo ka ng foundation, di order ka lang ng order. Kailangan, ini-estimate mo. May konti kang pasobra. Kasi meron kang certain budget na i-ask doon sa iyong company. Okay? Or client.